Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on adding a new administrator user to WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly and efficiently use WordPress's interface to invite a new user with administrator privileges. The process takes only a few minutes and is ideal for website managers looking to delegate responsibilities or expand their team. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the page loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. This is your entry point to managing your WordPress account. When you click the login link, you'll be prompted to sign into your account, and you can take advantage of one of WordPress's convenient login methods. After clicking the login button, look for an option that says continue with a popular account. In this case, choose to continue with Google. This method leverages your Google account credentials, so if you are already signed into Google on your browser, the process will be almost instantaneous. The convenience of using your Google account helps streamline the sign-in process, reducing the hassle of remembering yet another password. Following that, you should see a prompt prompting you to choose your Google account from those currently available. Select the account that you would like to use to log into WordPress. This step ensures that you are accessing your profile with the correct credentials, and it simplifies subsequent navigation. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the area where you can manage users. On the dashboard, locate the section labeled Users. Clicking on Users will bring up the area where all current members of your website are listed. This page is essential for managing roles and setting up permissions for each user. After you have found the Users section, proceed to click on the option that allows you to add a new user. This area is where you can expand your team by extending invitations to new administrators or team members. The interface here is designed to be straightforward so that you can easily enter the necessary information. Once in the Add New User interface, it is time to define the role of the new user. WordPress offers several roles, and for this tutorial you will select the administrator role. Choose this role to grant the new user elevated permissions and full administrative access to the site. Following the role selection, you will see a field where you are asked to add the new user's email address or username. Carefully input the correct email or username for the new administrator. This is critical, as WordPress will use this information to send an invitation directly to the prospective user. The final step in this process is to click on the button to send the invitation. Once you have confirmed the details, sending the invitation will trigger an email to the new user with instructions on how to complete the registration and accept the administrator invitation. Thank you for following along with this detailed guide on adding a new admin user to WordPress. By following these steps, you should now be able to securely and efficiently manage user roles on your WordPress site. Enjoy the streamlined process and improved management of your online platform.